How to earn money from Facebook. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to earn money from Facebook. So if you are coming first time to this channel, please subscribe for more informative videos, and let's know how to earn money. Number 1. Facebook page. Monetization. If you have a large following on your Facebook page, you may be eligible for monetization features such as ad breaks in videos, fan subscriptions, and branded content. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services through affiliate marketing on Facebook. This involves sharing affiliate links and earning a commission for every sale made through those links. Number 3. Sponsored posts. If you have a large following on Facebook, businesses may pay you to promote their products or services through sponsored posts. And you can earn lots of money ultimately with only doing sponsored posts. Here is number 4, Facebook Marketplace. You can sell products directly to other Facebook users through the Marketplace feature. This can be anything from handmade crafts to secondhand goods. Number 5, Facebook groups. You can create or join Facebook groups related to your niche or interests and offer products or services to group members. Just make sure to follow the group's rules regarding promotions. Number 6, Facebook Live. You can use Facebook Live to host Q&A sessions, tutorials, or product demonstrations. If you have a large enough following, you can monetize your live streams through donations or by partnering with brands for sponsored content. Is it in this video? If you like this, share it with your friends, and remember to comply with Facebook's policies and guidelines when monetizing your activities on the platform. Additionally, building a strong and engaged audience is key to successfully earning money from Facebook.